Let's spread the awareness about depression. Depression is classified as a mood disorder. It may be described as feeling of sadness. Depression is a disorder that can affect everything you do in your life. It's not something you can quickly recover from. Some are depressed being alone. They are not much fortunate to have caring and loving relations around themselves. They need love, affection, and care, but they don't get it. So they feel unwanted and become depressed. Some are depressed of losing relations, friends, and loved ones. Some are depressed due to the disturbance in personal life. They face domestic issues, ups and downs. Constant fatigue and the flood of thoughts don't let them sleep properly. They are always engaged in thoughts. Some are depressed because of bullying and being ignored made them suspicious. In short, every person is struggling with their lives and thoughts. Their mind always occupied with constant fatigue, inability to concentrate and suicidal thoughts. But nothing in this world is impossible. Counseling is the cure of depression. People are not aware about counseling. Counseling psychologists help people with physical, emotional, and mental health issues. They improve their sense of well being. Counselors are trained persons who help and direct people through different situations and read their minds, their thought process. Counseling is a conversation between survivor and the counselor. During the conversation, counselors reach at the bottom of the depression reason and motivate them about their life, bring back them to the normal life. Trust me, counselors are the life saviors. They support you, motivate you, and make you strong for fight to the depression, stress, anxiety. Always believe in yourself. Depression kills the person. Don't get yourself interrupted into the depression. You get up. Believe in yourself. Be strong. Be positive. Get back to your work.